Hey guys, welcome to Diecast. And in today's video, I decided, you know what? I have all these cars that I haven't pulled out for a long time, and I think it's time to show you guys and share to you the other stuff that I got. So this is one of my favorite. It's the Initial D Legend 1 by Autoart, and this is the Toyota Trueno AE86, very popular, from Initial D. And yeah, so this is Legend 1. There is a bunch of these Autoarts out there, and yeah, I'm definitely excited to share this with you. So there's even like snippets from the cartoon itself, or the anime. The box looks great. It's actually in mint condition, and as you can see, this is the first. I don't know if you guys watched the Initial D at all, but this is actually the first car when Takumi got his car. Well, technically he's borrowing it from his dad. So yeah, it even shows the engine detail and what parts open. This side there, and then the bottom side. And the cool thing about this is it's actually verified that it's certified Watanabe wheels. Because if you look at the wheels here, yeah, those wheels right there are Watanabe wheels. And then it's also verified by Kodansha, which is the manga where this all started. So anyways, let's get to the unboxing. As always, I'll use this back side of this box cutter to open this up. See what we can grab here. Let's see. There you go. That's pretty easy. Right off the bat, there's nothing else there. There's no certificate or anything. I'm not gonna open it yet. So 4 screws underneath, and we pull out the model. Boom. So this is one of my favorite models. Like even the other Initial D models that I have, just because this one is very accurate that it even has the cup holder. And we'll get to that more in a bit. I'm very excited to show you guys. So yeah, like I said, 4 screws underneath. Let's get this going, and I'll show you guys what it looks like out of the box. Alright, so here's the model out of the box. It looks amazing. It's crazy. Like, it's basically the car from the show. Like, it's just breathtaking. I don't even know what to say. So anyways, like I said, as soon as you take this off, you get this little thing underneath the car, and this is actually pretty cool here, because so this is the first iteration of, like, well, from the show, and he usually travels with this, and he goes, well, long story short, it's a box of tofu that usually goes at the back of this guy. If I can open it. Yeah, it just goes right in there. It literally just goes in there. And that's how he transports his tofu. And actually, just a quick lore here. So the cup is there just to verify that he doesn't spill any of that tofu at the back. But it kind of helped him hone his skills into becoming a great driver. So that's kind of a little bit of a detail for you. I do have the manga. I do have the anime. So yeah, I'm a big fan of these models here, especially the show and the manga. So yeah, anyways, yeah, super cool feature. Even the box is pretty detailed, like the lid underneath. Yeah. So just goes back there. Let's put this back in here. Yeah, it's like, I'd say this is one of my favorite models. I can't see myself ever parting ways with this. But yeah, anyways, put this back. We're not at that part yet. Okay, so let's go for the full detail here on this side. Well, overall, first of all, black and white, the so-called black and white panda colors here, and you also get I believe this is translated as Fujiwara tofu delivery, I think. But yeah, correct me if I'm wrong, but I know this is like Fujiwara tofu something something. The colors are very great. I do love the little details that you see, such as you get these rain visors, you have these nice rain guards or mud guards at the bottom here. And interestingly, this is only on one side. It's not on the other side at all, just so you know. The gas cap is right here. Looks like a separate piece for the door handle, separate piece for the what do you call this, oh my gosh, lost for words, side mirrors. And then again, like those Watanabe wheels, we'll talk about more of that later. Then we go to the front of the car, and these side markers here are also separate pieces. We have these fog lights, that very nice license plate. We have the Trueno logo just in the front here, and we do have some vents. And I love these pop-up headlights. Love them! On this other side, oh, forgot to mention, there is a Trueno decal right there. Just kind of give you a closer look there. And we do have like that kind of raised from the body itself, or like from the panel, is this keyhole, and it's just painted right there. Same on the other side. And then, oh yeah, forgot to mention, the headlights are also separate, and we do have these what do you call this, windshield sprayers, windshield spray, just right there. Don't see that every day. And then we go to the back of the model here. We do have another wiper, and we do have some few details on the model. So Apex twin cams, 16, Trueno, and then the Toyota logo, Sprinter. And cool thing is, okay, so these are just painted on there, but if you look at this one, it's actually a separate piece. So I do like that touch. I wish they just did that right here as well. That would have been perfect. You get these heated elements at the back here of the rear windscreen, and again the license plate. The detail on these taillights are amazing, and if you look underneath here, you can see the tow hooks as well on both ends, and you have this nice exhaust. It's very, very detailed. And not to mention, if you look at the mud guards underneath here, you can also see the Trueno script just right there at the back. That's pretty cool. Okay, so wheel detail, like I said, these are Watanabes. So these are pretty nice. I do love these wheels, and they are pretty hard to find in real life now. Like, just the detail is amazing. Like, you can see the separately painted lug nuts. Unfortunately, there is no detail on the, what do you call this? The valve stem. Because some of the Autoarts do, but I believe this is an older model, that's why they don't have that valve stem detail. There is no tire detail as well. Like, there's no embossed, like, whatever tread it is or anything like that. No, not tread. Like the stamped markings of what tire size it is and whatnot, and what manufacturer tire it is. But still, pretty good. And you got some nice tread here. Same as the rear. Good detail. And if you notice, in the middle of the hub here, there's like a silver, like, I don't know, thing there. Like it's like I don't know, like a wheel cap of some sort. I'm not sure if it's a wheel cap or not. And then if you look back here, it's like embedded. I think it's the same on the other side too. I think that's how AE86s go. Alright, underside of the model, super detailed. Front wheels do steer, they do work. As you can see there, they steer. And a little bit of a cool feature here. As you know, these are pop-up headlights. So there is a lever here that actually controls if you want it popped up or you want it popped down. So super cool. I will show you in a bit. And you have some nice suspension detail, drive shaft, exhaust. Like this is so detailed. Like they even included like where it's supposed to be bolted on at the back part here. This is a very detailed model. It's absolutely stunning. And this is what it looks like. Excuse me. You want to control those pop-up headlights. It's so cool. It's just so cool. Alright, let's get to interior and let's start with the driver's side. Let's see if I can open this with one hand. Perfect. And it opens nice and smooth. There is a spring load on it in the end there if you saw that. So you have that two-tone door card. Very nice detail, very crisp actually. We do these we do see these carpeted seats. As you can see, the seat belt is all fabric. And then you have a clip there. They really outdid themselves on this one. You can see a logo right in the middle there as well. And the horn button. We have a few dials and gauges in the middle there. Amazing detail, guys. You can see 3 pedals, rightfully so. You have a radio and again the cup holder right there. That's what makes this car so unique. I do have another AE86, just a regular one in black and white as well, and it does not have a cup holder. So this is just specifically for this Initial D model. Even the other Initial D models don't have the cup holder, it's just this one. So I thought that was cool. Yeah. Unfortunately, there's no water in it. But yeah, you get the gist. Anyways, going on the other side. Oh, whoops, before we go there, let's check out this hood, shall we? Oops. So this hood actually has its own hood prop. Get to it. There you go. Yeah, like it's such a cool feature. It's so cool. And you can see all the detail on the engine. There's a fuse box right there. It's so detailed. Like it's amazingly detailed. And again, like this is those old Autoarts where you get so much for your money, and yeah, these have been going in crazy prices right now. Like, it's insane how much these guys are worth now. It almost feels like these seats recline, but I know they don't. Would have been cool though. Again, same as the driver's side, we do have same features. Door card's the same. It's basically the passenger side. And then we get a sneak peek of the back seat. Pretty plain. Like, that's the thing though, it's obviously plastic, which kind of goes with the rest of the interior, like the door card and the dash. I wish they just had a little bit of effort to make this like a little bit more not plastic. And that's okay. And then we go back to the hood. The trunk. And the trunk stays open via these 2 struts here. And then you get this compartment where it just stays open, and you get a full carpeted rear interior as well, with some plastic on the sides. And there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know I did. I love bringing this guy out. And I will see you guys in the next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one.